Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a gel nail tutorial using the Red Carpet Manicure gel nail kit. So if you guys would like to see how I do my gel nails at home with the Red Carpet Manicure kit, stick around with me, keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Off camera, I already removed my other gel nail set that I had on, so the nails are nice and clean. They are buffed out, they are shaped, and I do have a nail down, but I wanted to keep the length so you guys could really see how the gel polish looks on longer nails. Now this kit I've actually had for, I want to say close to 8 years, so a very long time. So I'm really excited to share this. This is my only at-home gel kit that I have, and here it is. So Red Carpet Manicure, their Gel Polish Pro Kit, comes with everything you see inside here. So I'm going to go through this box that I've had forever. So as you see, it's been through a lot, and we'll check out all the items that come in this Gel Polish Pro Kit. Here's how everything looks all packed inside. So we got a few things to go through, so let's jump right into that. Here is the prep. It's a max adhesion nail primer. So this is just prepping the nail for some structure, which is right here. The structure is Red Carpet's base coat, and then the brilliance here is the top coat. So we got the first step and we got the last step, like before and after the color. Here's the color that comes with the kit. It is a LED gel polish. This one, let's see, it is called, I believe, Red Carpet Ready. Let's see if I remember that. Let's see. Yes, Red Carpet Ready. It is a beautiful, just very bold red. It is gorgeous. So it was a very great shade to come into a kit. Then we have the Purify. This is really good. You can do it before and after. I usually just do this one at the end to get rid of the tackiness of the gel polish when I'm done curing it. The kit also comes with Erase. This is a removal for the gel polish. I used it up and I never bought another one. I just go ahead and use acetone. Then for the LED light, apparently, I guess back in the day, it was their first time introducing the USB cord, I think, because that's like on the box. And again, this is really old, but it has the USB port, and then it has the smaller port that goes into the actual light. So there's the button on the top to start and stop it. If you want to stop it before 45 seconds, you can. If you need to cure it at like 30 seconds. And then the plug-in right here where the USB port goes, and this is all lasted me, like I said, almost 8 years. This light has been doing me good. Off camera, I went ahead and did my right hand, and then I'm going to show you guys my left hand on camera. When you do cure, you can only fit your 4 fingers in, and then you got to do the thumb separate. So here we go. I'm actually starting with some of the Purify. So I went ahead and used it before, because you can use it before and after, just to kind of clean off my nails a little bit, then jumping into the prep. So I'm just going to give some quick swipes over the nails and make sure they are good to go for the base coat, which is structure. And here it is. So I go and start with a nice thin coat of the structure. Try not to put too much on, but you do want good coverage. And then I'm also going to make sure that I kind of get the tip of the nail as well. So a nice thin coat, and then get right up to the tip of the nail, and then we're going to cure it one time. Here's the placement on the box where it shows how many seconds to cure. So structure is only 30, and then color and brilliance is for 45. I go ahead and do the structure for the full 45 anyway, and it always works out well. Now it's time for the red color, so we are going right into it. I did do 3 coats, so I'm going to take my time and I'm going to go ahead and put on the first coat. When I apply my gel polish, I like to start kind of mid-nail, and then I push it towards the nail bed and like push it in, and then pull the color out, and then scoop to one side, scoop to the other side, and then work on covering the tip of the nail as well. So once that first color is down, we're going to cure and then move on to the second coat. And finally, it's time for the last coat, the third coat. So I'm going to swipe over real quick. Don't forget to get the tip of the nail again as well. And then we're going to cure one full time for 45 seconds. Look at that gloss and shine even without the top coat, but it is time for brilliance. So adding their top coat, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, a nice small coat across the nail. I start at the middle, push it to the base of my nail, and then bring it out to the two sides, and of course cover the tip of the nail. So we're going to do that. I'm going to cure it one time after the first coat, and then I'm actually going to add another coat, and then I cure 3 times at the end. You don't necessarily have to cure the full 3 times. I just like to do that to get a little extra curing in there, and it makes me feel good. So let's continue on with the first and then continue to the second coat of brilliance. So remember, you guys don't have to do 2 coats of brilliance. You should only have to do 1 and then cure it maybe 1 or 2 times. But I like to do a second top coat just to get a little extra, and so my manicure lasts a little bit longer. And then here I'm going to apply the Purify so we get rid of that tackiness on the nail. So using a cotton square and the Purify, I'm just going to wipe down on top of my nail, and then I also get the tip of the nail as well. So get rid of all the sticky and tackiness, and we are ready. Look at these nails. They're glossy, they're shiny, and they're just ready for anything. So thumb is the last one. I'm going to go ahead and get this thumb going. So just sit back, relax, watch all those steps, and we're another step closer to finishing our red carpet manicure. My fave and final step here is Revitalize. It is a nourishing cuticle oil, so I'm going to add this to the base of my fingers, and then I'm just rubbing it in, not on the nail but on the skin around the nail. So we're making sure that that stays nice and moisturized, because the prep step and the Purify step can kind of dry the skin a little bit out, so we want to bring back that moisture. Also keep in mind, this nourishing cuticle oil you can use every day. You can use it through the weeks that you have your gel nails on, and keep your fingers nice and moisturized. It's like my favorite thing to do every day. I love it. And after that, it's complete. And that's how I complete my at-home gel nails using the Red Carpet Manicure Gel Polish Pro Kit. So all of my do-it-yourself nail gurus, makeup lovers, and my curl friends, I hope that all of you will come back and join me next week for another video. Thanks again for watching. Take care.